Hey everybody. So today I want to talk about why we see they sell everything for, instead of let's say $10, $9.99, or instead of $17, $16.99, or instead of $7, $6.99. So they can have that 666 in front of everybody all the time. Now I know they say, well, it's just because, let's say something's $14.99. People think that it's more like $14 rather than $15. All right, that may kind of be true, but you know, years back when I was chefing for a year or two, and my friend had the restaurant, and we talked about pricing, and she always wanted to do the 99-cent thing, and I didn't. I said, well, that's stupid because when I see $14.99, I just say to myself that's $15. But I'm trying to remember. I think we ended up doing the 99 thing. But it never works on me. But I think it's just one way that that the enemy can get that 666 out there a whole bunch. Because if you got something 99 cents, anytime it's 19.99 or 16.99, I mean, and 29.99, 39. Anytime it's 9.99 or 6.99 of whatever other numbers, that's the 666 gets to be up there in front of us. And then I notice in Walmart is the only place I ever see that does this. They do a lot of stuff at 96 cents. And now, why would that be? If it's one thing to do the 99 cents, I mean, do they think 3 cents or 4 cents makes a difference to anybody? Well, if they have stuff besides at 99 cents, 10.99 or 9.99, if they got stuff at 96 cents, that throws one more set of 666s out there for everybody. I buy fishing line over there. I don't really like to patronize Walmart too much, but it is what it is. And I buy fishing line. I buy that super line. It's $9.96. Now, I mean, it could easily be $9.99, and it would still be the 666. But I don't know. Why does Walmart have stuff marked at 96 cents? And I see lures and stuff are marked at 96 cents or even 56 cents instead of 59 cents. So, just something to think about. I was thinking about it when I'm up in Maine, and I saw the beer 12 packs were $9.99. They had the signs all over the place. Well, in Maine it's like 2 stores, but they had the Budweiser was advertised at $9.99. And that's 666 because Satan likes things upside down and backwards. So, and then went by a hotel the other day. It had something 69.99. There's your 666. The enemy likes to throw that 666 up every chance he can. So, I don't know, just throwing that out there for you guys. Pretty interesting. And, I never fall for that anyway. I'll talk to my landlord sometimes and be like, oh, they got grain over there. It's, $13. I say, well, I was over there the other day. It was 14. $13.99. Oh, yeah, I guess it was $13.99, I'll say. Well, that's $14. It's not $13. But, I guess people do fall for that. I don't know. So, any of you guys, I don't really do links and stuff. I'm really such a dummy when it comes to doing this kind of stuff with my phone and computers, and, I barely know how to turn the stupid thing on. But, I saw some really, really interesting stuff last night and today. If you guys ever see that channel, Enter the Stars, and he spells it at the end, it's Enter the, and then it's ST, and then it's like some numbers. I think I don't know if he, like the day he was setting up his channel, he mishit the numbers. I forget exactly how to spell it. I think if you just enter the stars with a Z at the end, it'll come up. He's got pretty many subscribers. But you should check out his latest 2 videos. He does a really lot of really cool stuff. You know, I don't obviously don't agree with all of his stuff. Don't believe all of his stuff, just like very few people I do really agree or believe all the stuff I see on their channels. But this latest thing is about, he takes the Nile Delta in Egypt and overlays it over the central U.S. over the Mississippi River, and it's really, really cool. I mean, the Cairo, Egypt lines right up with Cairo, I think it is Illinois, and the Mississippi River and the Nile line right up. And the eclipse that we're having this year and the one that's coming up in 2024, they cross, the paths of the total eclipse cross right there in southern Illinois, which they call Little Egypt. So it basically looks like, you know, Illinois and, you know, the United States are the same as Egypt. But you guys should check it out. Let me know what you think if you run across that. It's Enter the Stars. And he also does a lot of cool stuff about the Earth being in the shape of an eye, as opposed to being a flat plane. But you may want to go check that stuff out. It's pretty compelling. Anyway, all right, 666 is everywhere. And then check out that Egypt video by Enter the Stars. She's got two of them. He put out one last night and one this morning. Today is Saturday the 19th. So, all right, hope everybody's doing well. I gotta fill up their water dishes. We had a lot of rain last night. The rooster there's making trying to seduce some hens when they make that noise. So, see if he gets anyone to fall for it. A lot of times the roosters will pretend like they found something really good to eat and try to call a hen over so they can take advantage of them. I don't know what else I can show you here with the chicks. They're little babies hanging out with mom. So that's all. Just felt like talking about the numbers. Alright, love you guys very much. Take care and God bless.